Yo, it's your boy E back with another video, man. It's been a couple weeks, man. We've been down and out trying to figure out what we was gonna do since this my Forex funds little I guess you could say Ponzi scam. And just to be honest, man, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't want to get into another prop firm because you just didn't know who was next or what was gonna happen next. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do an account growing series. As much as I didn't want to, because I know it's gonna be a slow grind. It just to be just helping on my discipline, helping on my patience, and then as we follow along, some of you guys will be able to, do the same thing. See the account grow from the $100 that we start with, and see how far we can take it. I plan to do weekly deposits. You know what I'm saying? Almost every Friday, I plan on depositing another $100 to the account and just keep it going. So, without further ado, we added $100 to the account, and our first trading day was last week Friday. I lost like 40 bucks, and then I added like 40. I added the $40 back to start break even on Monday, and so now we're gonna hop over to the chart section of the video, and we can start going over the trades that I took this week. This week wasn't too bad. Did took a nice couple trades. Some setups that we're gonna definitely go over that I could have avoided, and some setups I should have definitely took advantage of. But we're gonna hop into the charts right quick. So on Monday, I took a GJ, what's this counter trend loss? So that was a GJ buy that wound up being a loser, which will be right here. So this GJ trade right here. So boom, we got this nice bullish push with these candles here, breaking these last highs. So as it's breaking these last highs, I'm looking to get back in on the trend, which is counter trend, being though that this trade was underneath the 200. So seeing that it was underneath the 200, this counter trend move is going to be a short-lived opportunity, but at the same time a good opportunity because we had gaps to the upside created by this bullish movement here. We had a little break of candle coming up. Not even a break of candle. This entry right here was an aggressive entry. So also we can add to that Monday loss was an aggressive entry on the zone. My entry from the broker, man, should have been 182.908. Yeah, I definitely remember getting it aggressive on this trade here, and I think I was starting to get a little bit of lag if I remember right. And this is why my entry is here, but this instantly lost. I didn't wait for a break of candle in this trade here, and this was a loss. Also, I had a nice liquidity grab win that I had also took. And earlier during this trading series, I try to use the magic keys, but just for how small the account was, I'm definitely over leveraging slightly, just using a little bit more smart risk management. That way the gains can actually be rewarding as well. That way I ain't too anxious to get into another trade or over trade and just, definitely compound the account. So yes, I am over leveraging slightly just to build this account up. Also Monday on NAS. Okay, I'm on the opportunity here, so I'm gonna let you see what I see here in the market. So what I saw here was that these highs right here, even highs if you can see here, right? You got these even highs, the white line touches. You got price come up, snatch this high here, drops. So we see that now we got to break a structure to the low side. We see price wants to go down. So now we just waiting for price to return up into this area. So now we see here, as price came back up, this is the news. It broke structure here. I was looking at potentially using this as the new trend, which would be counter trend the buys up to the 200. Now for my strategy, I like to trade away from the 200. That way I know I'm going with the trend, the higher time frame trend for the most part. And what happened here, I see that this trade right here, it gets taken out. So when I had it drawn up, it was a zone right here, just like this. And I saw that my zone was invalidated. After I saw my zone was invalidated, I moved to alternate strategy, which would be my liquidity grab strategy. And if you can see, this wick takes out all of these highs, but it never closed back within, sorry, my keyboard's on the other side. It never closed back within Never closed outside of the supply zone I had here. So all I did was wait for the break of candle, which was the next candle. I got the break of candle, and I actually instantly kind of almost TP'd, and that was the win that I had on Monday on NAS. We go over to Tuesday. I had took two more setups. The first setup was on NAS. It was a liquidity grab on Tuesday. Let me get over to Tuesday. Oh, I forgot. Back up. Pardon me, guys. Tuesday right here. Okay. Now I took this liquidity grab here. Only thing that I didn't like about this liquidity grab is that I wasn't at the highest of the high, and I wasn't at the lowest of the low. So I would like for me to take a bullish liquidity grab. I would like to be at the lowest of the low, no price action to the left. And as you can see right here, let's take you back to my liquidity grab setup. You can see that this price action was here to the left here. You had price action here to the left here. I like usually being in no man's land, so then I know the only way is up or the only way is down. So right here, I see this candle comes. It validated this demand zone that I had here initially. So after it invalidates my demand zone, I look for my liquidity grab setup. And what happened here is that it did close. After it closed, it gave me a breaker candle, and basically I got faked out. Candles start reversing, breaking candles to the low. You get stopped out. Okay, now as I'm watching price here on my second setup, I see that this failure here actually creates a supply zone. So it's creating a supply zone. And as I see price come back, I get into this trade. But as I get into this trade here, the screen starts to lag slightly, and my Henko trade terminal price is not reflecting the price movement. So I panic. I wait the trade get the break even. I get out close. After I get out the trade and close, trade goes straight into profit. So this wound up being a trade I could have wound up holding that would have covered some losses. I don't trade Wednesday. I give myself off on Wednesday. So we shoot over to NAS on Thursday. I took that one trade on NAS. Get ready here. Okay, this setup here I took on Thursday was yeah, yesterday was pretty slow moving. I had missed the trade earlier in the group. It came back and it's like prices kept going down. And this setup, I saw this rejection here. This candlestick rejection right here. I saw this candlestick rejection right here, and I you know what? Let me take this trade. I liked it, and I wound up taking this trade and going to profit slightly, and then price just reversed and stops me out. And that was the done deal for that. So Thursday I did take them to set up. We had 8 o'clock New York market open. We got this high right here being broken. So I see the reversing structure. So I'm thinking 8 o'clock reversal. So I'm trying to catch trends moving in the opposite motion, the opposite direction. So initially, I see the reversal here. I see this zone is being made and created here, breaking these highs here. So I'm waiting for the pullback. Then I also had this supply that I've been waiting for the entire London session. So if price was to return here, I was looking to short. As you see that this trade here, I wound up shorting it and actually get another win. And so I wound up actually going 2-1 yesterday as well, breaking even again at the $100 mark. So this week overall was a break-even week. But as price returned to my zone, I wait for the break of candle entry. And that was all she wrote right there. Got in. And I think this zone was a little small, so I got an aggressive. This zone was like 6 pips, so I got a little aggressive. Definitely because of the New York reversal and seeing how much it dropped from London and chose direction kind of. So I got in that one aggressive. I held that right into my supply zone. Once it got up there, I wound up TPing on that first trade. Then I kind of got a little greedy. I saw that it gave a break of candle, so I went back down the opposite way to cover some more losses. Took the 101 there, ended the day off in profit. And then Friday, today I took 3 trades. The first trade I took today went 101. Matter of fact, no, the first trade I took today was this GU, right? It's GU short. So I missed this setup with the group. I saw this short opportunity here. Price almost hit my 1-to-1, and then right before my 1-to-1, it was like a half a pip away. The next candle reverses. This candle right here, this 945 candle, was a news candle that I totally disregarded and totally forgot. So that's my fault. I could have been at break even and could have been a small loss. So after that, I still had this setup that I was waiting for from early in my session. I started around like 7:30, and it had a 5 and 15 minute confluence. So 2 time frame confluences, usually I can count that for a longer trend, and a lot longer risk reward. So I got in on this on a 15-minute candle break. If I'm not mistaken, my 15-minute at. Yeah, I got on the 15-minute candle break on this, and this held it. I saw this 15-minute supply here, so that was my initial goal, was to take it up to here, and it wound up working out. So I made some losses back, and right now we back to break even. We're not really break even. We down like $5 overall on the account, so basically break even. I added another $100 to the account, and then the account also came with a $100 bonus with the $100 deposit. So I'm at like $295 the total balance on the account right now. We use a Henko trade as a broker to try to get this, to accumulate this bag, to build this bag up, and we're gonna see how it goes. So this is gonna be episode 4, man. This account growing has been very tedious. Definitely getting more comfortable with trading prop firms for so long, and getting back to trading my own funds, and definitely starting with such little capital. The risk management is definitely the biggest takeaway from the prop firm. So I do thanks to prop firms for that, because with them, the risk management is on point. So yeah, man, we're just gonna take it slow, try to compound weekly, just keep packing up these good setups, because we've been taking good setups, we just haven't been capitalizing on the monetary value of them. So we're just gonna keep doing what we do daily, in and out. We're gonna back test this weekend. We're just gonna keep pushing, get ready for the next week. And I hope everybody enjoy their weekend, and bless, love, and continue to support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out.